Hi everyone, thanks for being with us again, it's really appreciated. Just in case there's anyone you know, if you're watching, we do product reviews and interviews as well, so you'll see some of my other videos are recently are product reviews, but it'd be good to do a few actual interviews as well, so put the word out. So apart from all the harvesting and tying up tomatoes and deadheading, we've got two knock down pots of herbs, so we want to try and resurrect them, repot them and see how they do. So I saw these very sad discounted herbs in a supermarket the other day. They are wilted, didn't look healthy at all, the root balls were dried out, so they're only a few pence. I bought them, soaked them for 24 hours. They've started to come back a little bit. What I'm going to do now is split them, repot them, and hopefully they'll be good for the rest of the season. The hard bit is untangling all the stems and leaves, because they're like rubber and they stick to each other, and it's difficult not to rip them. You're going to get a few casualties, but hopefully not too many. Oh, come on. We've got about 4 or 5 smaller groups here, so we'll see how they go individually, and then I could even sort of plant them out together later on. So then we give them a good old feed, good old soak, and maybe some of my homemade fertiliser, and see how we go. Just found out my secateurs are blunt, so I'm going to have to sharpen them. Remember to keep deadheading, people. So it looks like another tomato needs staking again. The cane I put in earlier was a smaller one, so it needs something taller. I think I've spoken about them before, but we grow fuchsias, and when I cut them back they produce good strong canes, so if you keep those in the winter it saves buying bamboo. So get this one in strong, and then get rid of that side shoot, don't need that or that. Right, I've got to hold that, get the string out of my pocket, get the scissors out of the other pocket, tie it without letting go. Nah. Oh, it's not too bad. Cut your bugger. There we go. Oh, come on, fingers. Tie a bloody knot. Oh, for fuck's sake. There you go. Finally. This one's done a Yui as well. That could come up. Oh, maybe I should have put them. I've got to untie that now, haven't I? And then I tie them both onto that. Ugh. Oh, fuck it. How am I going to do this? Is it going to work without break? Oh shit, I don't want to break any fruit. That can come out. That goes up there. I'm not sure how else I'm going to marry this together. It would have to be a shoot with fruit on right in the bloody way. I don't want to damage it. It's going to have to be something like that. Who'd have thought tying tomatoes would be so bloody difficult? I'm not out of the woods yet. Right, let's get rid of that. Hopefully they'll go up. They'll go up. There's a side shoot there, but it's higher up, so I might leave it because sometimes I produce fruit. Got a big side shoot here. And if that produces, that's going to go that way. So that will need tying up as well. Oh well, it's another day. Oh, caterpillars on me cabbages as well. Bugger off. There was about 10 so far on there. And that one cabbage has about 10 caterpillars. It's my fault for not netting them all, I know. Hey, anyway, as I say, don't buy bamboo, grow fuchsias and use the stakes. Right, anything else needs to... Oh, got some rotten courgette. Better cut them free. Ooh, yuck. That's like a big poo. There's a lot gone rotten actually, if not fully at the ends. Got to get in there quick, haven't you? Ah, dear. Never ending. Bloody deadheading while I'm here, I think. Deadhead the marigolds. Oh no! Bloody more caterpillar fest. Friggin' things. Oh, they've just decimated this poor bloody cabbage. I will net next year. It's just a bit of an eyesore, isn't it? It's alright in an allotment, but I don't particularly want frames and network all over my garden, really, if I can help it. It's just a pity, as I've said before, that there's not more songbirds, finches, tits, that sort of thing, that eat these caterpillars, because there's a big feast for them here. Bloody hell. I've lost count here. There's just a few in my hand there. And I'm throwing them down the alleyway because I'm hoping something will eat them. They won't crawl the way back up a bloody, 3-foot wall, will they? Or will they? These poor cabbages. All that work growing. Oh, still more. Oh, and more. There seems to be 2 types of caterpillar. I'm not up on my caterpillars, but maybe you can help me if I can get one of the other types, which obviously I've thrown about 20 away. Now I can't find another. Ah, here we go. Come here, you buggers. They're right in the heart. Not content with outer leaves. They get right in there. Well, people, we have 2 types. We've got this sort of pale green caterpillar, and then we've got this sort of checkered, almost tartan sort of shades caterpillar. I don't know if you can see that. And they're shitting on my fingers. Maybe you can tell me what they are. I'll have to find out. So, it is a hot one today. And I am melting. But I'm going to go around and do some harvesting if I can. I'll get my secateurs and we'll see what we've got. So I think it's time this queue came off. But I must say, the rest isn't looking impressive, looking like yellow leaves. We've got a little queue here that's just rotting as a youngster. We haven't got any others, so not very productive, this one. We've had all our peppers. I say all, there's one more left by the looks of it. We'll see how that does. And maybe some of these half-ripe tomatoes. I'm not exactly sure, but I think I heard Charles Dowding. Oh, bugger. That one's been eaten by something. Yeah, I think I heard Charles Dowding say that you cut them early, but you don't apparently leave them in the sun because they start to actually rot before they ripen. So he suggested putting them in a dark, cool place, I think. I'll double check, but I think that's what he said. I think we'll take 1 or 2 of these chilies too. You only need a few. So, here's some of today's haul. Well, maybe not that one. We've already used that lovely cucumber and it's delicious. So, that's another one done. Thank you all as usual. Really is appreciated. We've had a very mixed bag weather-wise, so it's been quite difficult to fit that in with what we were doing in the garden. We've had immense heat, well, for the UK, and then we've had sort of tail end of storms, so winds, bit of mizzly rain, Then we've had a lot of cloud cover, even though temperatures weren't too bad. And we've got a mixed bag today, so we've got a bit of everything, I think. We've had cloud cover, it's now breaking, and the winds are getting up. So it's all in there as usual with the UK weather. If any of you are going to BBC Autumn Fair, Gardeners World Autumn Fair, Audley End, I'll be there on the Friday, so hopefully I'll see some of you there. I'll be making some homemade tomato soup as well with some of those tomatoes we harvested. Some of them did ripen off, some ripened on the vine, some off the vine, but got there in the end and made a really tasty, even though I say it myself, homemade tomato soup. Just to remind you, we have done a few video reviews of garden products like trimmers, that sort of thing. We're doing more of that as well. So if you go on our YouTube channel, other than these garden videos, we do some review videos and some interview videos too. So keep your eyes open for that. As always, our message is do what makes you happy, enjoy life, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.